IK Multimedia Modo bass is the first physically modeled bass virtual instrument that gives you an unprecedented realistic performance for your bass tracks. As a producer, you want the best possible bass sound you can get. You want realism, credibility and authenticity that delivers the most accurate and inspiring performance. Sometimes you just can't hire the right bass player, and some virtual instruments out there can leave you flat and uninspired. Enter Modo bass, the industry's first true physically modeled instrument from the leader in analog modeling technology. Eight years in the making and developed in collaboration with one of Europe's oldest universities, Modo bass is a completely new breed of instrument that delivers the best of both worlds. The realism and sound of an instrument being played by a master musician and the convenience of a plug-in virtual instrument. But Modo bass isn't a virtual instrument by definition. It's a completely new technology that redefines realism from a computer-based instrument. Modo bass is the first technology of its kind that models the entire process of playing bass. Every component that contributes to the unique tonal properties of a bass player playing an instrument has been modeled, and the effects of each component on the other ones, the interactions between each tone variable, has been recreated to give you a dynamic, living, breathing and ever-changing performance. You see, traditional virtual instruments are sample-based, meaning that sound is produced by triggering recorded samples of instruments. Modo bass isn't a sample-based instrument, but rather a completely new technology where sound is generated by recreating the physical properties of a real instrument. Everything that makes an instrument create sound is physically modeled and sound is synthesized in real time.